In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a video in Google Vids. So first is open up your video project, then go to the timeline or canvas where you want the image to appear. Then next at the top menu, click on Insert and click on Upload. And with this, you can upload an image from your device. Just click on it and open it up. Or you can also import one from your Google Drive. So just by going to insert once again, click on Drive and Photos. And here you can just drag and drop your uploaded photos onto your canvas. You can also source images from the available library of Google Vids built-in assets. So in the right panel, just click on Stock. And here you can see various images that you can use and add to your video. Lastly, resize, reposition, and adjust the timing so the image appears exactly where you want it in your video. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.